Welcome to yet another Pass and Move special here at Luveve Stadium on a Wednesday. It's the midweek fixture between Chicken Inn versus Angezi Platinum Football Club. As you know, Pass and Move special is proudly brought to you by Penaya Foods, our number one sponsor. My brother Shab.
Shabwambani.
Amnesi. Karoyange manika.
Manika ndoda ngadanzwa igame last week. Bengayenza ukuthi ngidlalisa imali yemanika imali esichebo ngcono ngizodla inkukhu yamara uChicken Inn.
Alright, Chicken Inn versus Ngezi United. Lingaqalisa ibhora sizwe iprediction kubuza dana futhi.
Namhlanje ngibale hope. Othi pass abafana batshela iqiniso. Othi ama last chances zabo. Namhlanje uChicken Inn 1 Ngezi 0.
Uthi Chicken Inn yaziwina namhlanje?
Namhlanje iChicken Inn mele ikhupha umnyama wawo ichayelele 1 egedini.
Abasebele 30 bengawini lapha.
Chicken Inn wish you the best 1-0.
Alright, asihlangana after bhora sibona ukuthi awufa. Ufuna ukuthi uqine ungakangeni irice lana le beans.
Chicken ne beans.
Ichicken yaniba unika phakathi.
Ngenzela ukuthi hayi chicken izadla nge half time. Vele basinike ichicken ini. Basinike endefuna bawine futhi. Abangahlali bephonga udliwa songani lokhu zenini
inkukhu yabo.
Songani idliwa manje idliwa tozi.
Alright my brother. Ngicela prediction.
1-0.
La uthi 1-0
favor of Chicken Inn.
Chicken Inn yawina namhla.
1-0.
Alright, asihlangana after bhora sibona ukuthi awufa. Ntomdala njani?
Siyaphila njani?
Amna phila mthalam. Ngibona kuphathi kweviki so sizogwejisa ke sibona iChicken Inn ukuthi namhla ingawina yini.
Game really tough. Because these are the biggest teams in Zimbabwe. So
Chicken Inn lokhu ibala kuma biggest mthala.
Chicken Inn. Yes. Yes, siyayibala.
This is impela kuyayilahla.
Hayi not too much, not kakhulu.
Alright mthala ngicela prediction yakho uyibona njani igame namhla?
2-1 in favor of Ngezi.
Ichicken Inn awuyiza.
Lapha kunzima lapha.
Yabona sebelesikhathi bengawini.
Sekulesikhathi bangawini. Iform yabo is down. It's a little bit down. So Ngezi ile upper hand.
Hayi alright, hayi siyabonga mthala ahlangana after bhora khona ngizwe sibona ukuthi ziyabe zidlale njani.
Okay, 2-1.
Sharp mthala. Poputa sharp.
Sharp, you need it.
Amna sharp. Pura so sharp.
Yeah, sharp.
Karamachet Chicken Inn versus Ngezi igame ayaqalisa. Mfuna uzwa nje ama prediction. Libona njani igame le? Ichicken Inn silesikhathi ingawini la. Uyibona njani igame namhla Puras?
Ngeke uthi ku-home mina I think 1-1.
1-1. I-draw futhi.
Yeah.
Ama draws emaningi phela la.
This is in live vele akanya vele ziyabetha.
Puta sabo libona njani igame?
Hayi Ngezi Platinum yawina 2-0.
Uputa vele kayiliki chance Chicken Inn. Alright budget asihlale after bhora khona sibona ukuthi ibhora labe lidlale njani.
Alright, hayi sharp kulungile.
Sharp my brother. Sharp. My brother sharp.
Mina ngishapho mina.
Uyibona njani igame my brother?
Hayi Chicken Inn namhle idlalile sibile ndibingazake kiwini home namhlanje eqalisa ukuwina home isizini yonke. Siyajabula kakhulu umsebenzi wenziwe ngabafana especially uMakopa. Uvalile sibili but uBeband defend lihlohlileyo namhlanje hayi lesi club yenza for Chicken Inn.
Lona vele is always on form.
Hayi idlalile namhlanje team hayi siyabonga namhlanje sesawina home.
After a long while.
After isikhathi eside 16 games. Short topi.
Sharp my brother. Sharp. Referee Poso.
Zithini lapha my brother?
Sharp my brothers keep on.
Sure.
Uyibona njani igame?
Igame one. Igame be right and but igame le bengane yamabhuza. I don't want to lie to you my brother.
Why is it bengane yamabhuza?
Ngani bezidlalela emalokishini. Why ngisho njalo? Angeke umuntu ubone abantu bedlala amasimba. IBorand iYalanders iyadlala bra. iYalanders. Ma ubona ngibuye ngigqoke kanje. This is boss. This is Chicken Inn. Chicken Inn. Caps out. This is Chicken Inn.
But upare Caps.
Caps out. Chicken Inn. In.
But ni game uyibone njani Chicken?
I Chicken Inn an. La borela. Mas compete ne Islanders an. Chicken Inn la game.
Okaje ngesande kanje iYalanders versus Chicken.
So ukayinto so mina make sure ukuthi igame mina make sure ukuthi ufake ama stars
ngesande. Alright, thanks referee. Sabonana ngesande.
Yabona isitulo lesi benhlale ngibona ukuthi abascorer ngibobani. but angibonanga.
Shaba bra. Buyani machita. Uyiswi?
Ya ngiswi bra.
Uyibone njani game?
Hayi game ibi right kakhulu but chicken ingabodlala ibhola elifileyo so sizayidla ezinenge ngeBF ngesandi. Ayizama ukutshintsha ugoalkeeper uDonovan uyadelay kakhulu la phansi.
Budala abantu lababhuda sidala baqina win. So right elale dlalisa isikhathi ukuthi la bebeke bethola 3 points besuke phansi laba.
Hayi na njengama supporters la uzobukela 90 minutes asla na uzobona 87 minutes funa 90 minutes ezigcweleyo ngoba sibhatha 3 hours for 90 minutes. Not ubukela sona belala ground hayi la uzobukela full 90 minutes. Not ama 80 minutes and what sifuna full 90 minutes. UDonovan change strategy.
Ora but bawinile at the end of the day.
Bawinile but bawine ngomkokotelo ikopora kampumelana ngomkokotelo lucky kopora umkokotelwa 1.
But not yabalwa phela 3 points.
Ayaba 3 points ithi congratulations namhlanje labaza ke belali. Ubuthwa ngobungcono.
Shaba bra. Masuthu namhlu thabile ofa.
Namhla I'm happy. Ya abafana benze kahle in a way ukuthi like angazi ukuthi kumbe namhlanje uKhayindu uyenze into esifunayo yabona. Like what I was saying last time mancho. We need ukuthi sibe abantu bathi yalenda iskoroko rancho uKhayindu ngudriver so as iskoroko rancho like engathayileli imoto ema potholes in uyangena ama red robot sometimes haya
so namhlu uchazwe iwin yalenda away mana ngizwe mbuze le game yala uyibone njani ilokhuzeni ichicken namuhla
namhla ichicken idlale kahle kakhulu but inkinga yayo ukuthi ayikho consistent because team levi sibuya kahle bese sichaya uvalo ichicken hayi ayidlale kuhle so but hayi next game iyakwazi hayi siyabarathabula and siyabarathabula 4-0 yes 2 first half 2 second half ngesande vele hayi iright ithatha 3 points ngoba ngeke iphinde ithole ngoba this time sesithatha kuphela ama points thina
hayi sakubona ngesande but impela omunye ibela ubhuda zekhara ukuthi uDonovan ubelala kakhulu wena mina ngithi otsho mlaba bedala baqina iwin Jake ube right edlalisa isikhathi la lona uthini
hayi alright but uDonovan sometimes uba selfish ucine seqedisa team la ulala lokhana ubhola nje ucine esenikezwe yellow card kalale okule athi phakathi
okachipezes
akalala okachipezes exactly usho kahle ashi kalale okachipezes hayikhona lokhana kwakade sokulala lokhana kuyabhora lokhana haya kucine sokuqedisa njengoba ukuthi ulalile ithema ibuye ibhora wasevuka futhi kokhana kwamnikeza yellow card.
Alright my brother, thank you bana sibone lesidwiki ngesandi ukuthi ladlala njani
lo sibone ngesandi siphuma 4
Memizo you see my brother
Nshaba my brother Skimpani
amna ngiswi
good to hear good to see you
uyibone njani game namhla my brother
game yankhona iChicken versus Ngezi Platinum it was a good game a physical game unfortunately Chicken yathatha ama advantage about my chances they scored a goal then they defended the goal. But in terms of equality of football, our quality of football is not the standard that we wish to. Especially the big team like Chicken it's a team yakobulawayo. So we need a standard. So good like we enjoy football as supporters but
Ngezi Jake ibikhaya
Ngezi is a professional football team. Remember last year they were champions and they deserve to be champions even in Kenya when they played against Dynamos in the Chibuku Super Cup final in Harare. I was there. I watched the game. It was a superior. Unfortunately, they lost 2 penalties to Dynamos. But for them, I give credit to Ngezi. Even today, they played well. Unfortunately, they didn't have a tie. I think the day was not on their side for that day.
It wasn't their day.
Yeah,
but overall, I think Chicken in Dala baqine win. But they thought ikopora lana vele they to defend ikopora.
Yes, Chicken they scored and they told themselves, no, let's defend the goal. Let's defend the goal so that in football sometimes you don't need to play soccer. Just need to get a goal.
Results
are important in football. Yes, ama games, yes, you understand. Chicken is on the bottom, mid bottom of the log. So they needed that point. They needed that goal. Yes.
Hayi nyakuza memeza but njengoba sikhuluma ukuthi Chicken beveli win beyidinga bebephansi abantu bengani bayasukuma lapha ngoba kunzima lapha nabakhona
kunzima khona lapha nabakhona and for now mele bephula ama socks this week ibale Highlanders ngeSunday Highlanders la ile win I think they won 1-0 that side so it would be a derby I think yabisi game emnandi singayibuka for Bulawayo. I wish them could like both Islanders and Chicken.
Oh, never neutral.
Me I'm neutral because I'm a Bulawayo. I'm a soccer.
Soccer loving business.
Yeah. Both kulabafana bamabadlalo Chicken abafunda kimi in football. The other guys from Islanders bafunda kimi like as a former player. So I wish them good luck.
Nice one.
Team to win.
Nice one, Memiza. Asibona ngezani. Mina ngeke kubize studio sohlala phansi.
So I think Sunday ngiyabe ngisharp.
Mr. Rafa,
I'm all right, my brother.
you good?
I'm very good.
She usharp.
Sharp.
Machita Chicken in final is a win.
Yeah, it was a tough game. In the first half, we're supposed to score, because I think coach Ubete needed an early goal. Unfortunately, by Swelile, and then I told my friend Usheo, no, when we come back, Sizobachaya. That's what we did. Sibachaile. Then second half it was on us, and we scored, and we defended. But it was very tricky for us. But unfortunately, we got the win.
Your defense was very solid today. Ingezi was coming at you like picture Sheun Lamanga.
Hayi right mfowethu. Hayi Chicken indlale kahle. Lathi besifisela ukuthi bawine njengabomakhelwane sibuye sazobancedisa ukusupporta besibasupporta njengenjayelo bayakwazi ukuthi nxa bedlalela lapha eLuveve nesilongi i-Islanders ingekho la siyabe sikhona lapha support iChickenini. Sijabulile kakhulu ukuthi bawinile. It was a very good game. Badlale kahle. First half bengathi bayantenga but second half badlale kahle badefenda. Hayi siyajabula ukuthi lathi koBulawayo iChickenini winile. Kuyasijabulisa khonokho ukuthi omakhelwane bethu ngabangani bethu labo guide bonke abangani bethu siyajabula nxa bewinile because nxa bedliwe babe sikhalela lathi abafowethu. Hayi kuyabe kungazwisi kuhle sasizwa ubuhlungu ukuthi hayi abafowethu badliwe lathi kuyabe kuzwisa ubuhlungu. But lamhla siyajabula. Siyajabula koBulawayo iChickenini winile. I-Islanders la sizwe kuthiwa iwinile away. Kuhle kakhulu nxa amateam akoBulawayo wina. Le Bulawayo Chiefs sizwe kuthiwa yenza kahle phansi khona le siyayifisela ukuthi ibuye.
Alright, mana nje ngene embuzo ndo. Njengoba ngeSunday Islander uthi winile Chickenini winile. Islander Chickenini ebeef.
Bastelela bafowethu. Bastelela but hayi may the best team win ngeSunday. Sifise mina njengesupporter ye-Islanders ngiyayifisa ukuthi i-Islanders iwine but abafowethu labo ngabeChickenini ngithi may the best team win ngeSunday.
Whether to socialize, to analyze football, to see who's doing wrong, who's doing correct. If given an opportunity like South Africa, Betty, I'm a supporter of my coaches. Let us say, my coaches. Yes, I'll give you an example. I always watch Keme Islanders. Abanagulam Shori, Melikaya. Both mabehamba bamba bonke, mabephenduka baphenduka bonke. Futhi kube lo yi1 osale godini, lo munye odlala behind. Do you understand? That's why you see Simba and he had the opportunity but ungakhayiri Keme Simba. First attack Simba was a corner. Second attack kwakuyigobhora. But bongela muntu lapha egodini.
So mana singaka analyze Simba. Analyzela le yanamuhla.
Enamuhla Ingezi had it first half. They missed Chicken in first half. And I give thanks to Coach Ukaid. Substitution yake ibe right. He made a good decision and we get a goal early Korebesi in the second half and we defended early until to the final whistle. So I give thanks to the coach and Ukaid.
Well done.
Well done.
Lawe ko.
Said next game ubelani a good result. njenge-chicken in supporter. I'm with you all the way.
Lawe, congratulations as a supporter. Nice one, my brother.
Thank you, my brother. Nice one. Take care.
Finally, Chicken Inn gets 3 points versus Ngezi Platinum Stars winning 1-0 here at Luveve Stadium. It has been another exciting episode of Pass and Move special. If you're watching, please like, subscribe, share, and comment on the comment section. Thank you.